Hi everyone, what about we automate everything in Solidworks? Let me show you how it works. So here I'm inside Solidworks with my assembly, and I will start by something simple. Change the color of all the parts in the assembly. So here the agent will generate an automation for me, and I will be able to run it, and you will see that it actually changed all the color of every part by a random one. So that was a pretty easy example, and I will try to go a bit further. So let's select a part of my assembly, and let's ask to create fillets on every edges that are collinear with the z-axis. I want to be able to select the radius for it. So here it's going to generate the new automation that I can run. And as you can see, I can actually select in an AI-generated UI the radius of the fillet. I won't include the other parameters, edges, and apply. And here the agent will take the actions to follow the automation. So you can see that I actually select all the edges and only the one collinear with the z-axis and apply the fillet on them. Okay, let's try something a bit more complex. I want that for each part of my assembly, we create a drawing made automatically out of 3 different views and export them in a folder I picked. I want to be able to select a template, but also export it in PDF. Let's run the automation and we can see that I can browse for templates. So I'm going to pick and input the output folder and select the option to export in PDF. Now we'll see that it automatically creates a drawing with 3 different views in it of one part and do that for every part of the assembly. That's very cool. Now let's actually check that it exported it well. And you can see that it exported all the drawings in the folder I picked, but also the PDF. Okay, cool. The nice thing about it is that you can save the automation and file all automation back in your automation center. And I can rerun it, but also remix it to add further modifications. And there we can see an example where I run automation on multiple assemblies. And if you want to try it right now, you can go on MecAgent.com and we'll provide you free access.